There. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that a little bit smaller. There we go. This one is 1. Two. There. 1. 1. And one more. I love fluffy curls. Here, we show this. That one's gonna go that way.
the fun part. Ubio Manakot. Right there. There. I like that. I like that a lot. So there you have it. This has been a lot of fun, and this is the last of 3 videos on this build, as well as it's part of a whole series where I made the desk and the drawers, and this is the final step in that. So I do have plans available from this on my website, so you can learn from some of the problems that I ran into. I fixed all those things in the plans, and so now that is all available on there. It's one of those fun things to learn from someone else's mistakes rather than having to learn from your own. You can get either the plans for this, or you can get the whole set with the desk and drawers and all of that. And thank you to everyone who supports the channel by purchasing things on the website. That really does help out and keeps us going. I did learn a lot on this, and there are some things on it that I wish I had done differently, but that's why I do it first, so that you guys can learn from what I have. I like how it came out, though. I don't think I'm going to go back and really change anything because functionally it's there, and yeah, I kind of like that. So. No, I'm not going to go and rebuild it just because I want to. So if you do have any thoughts or ideas or things that I could have done better or things you wish I would have done, let me know that down in the comments down below. I do read through all of those. And I do want to say a huge thank you to everyone who clicked that little like, comment, and share and subscribe buttons. Those things help out the channel and keep us in front of other people. So thank you. And on top of all that, there's a whole pile of people who are scrolling over there. They are patrons on Patreon, people who are financially helping out this channel. And I want to say a huge thank you to patrons, as well as people who've clicked that join button and become a member here on YouTube. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't exist, and we wouldn't have the funds to be able to do these types of things. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more, there are links to Patreon down below, or click the little join button. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I would say we could shelve this topic, but that was the joke on the other channel. So on this channel, I say this project, we're just gonna have to put a pin in it.